On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these acrylic luxury press-on nails. So first we're going to start by applying our base color, which is going to be a white glitter. It's kind of hard to see in this video, but it is a glitter acrylic. And once again, because these are press-on nails, I'm not going to apply the acrylic as thick as I would as if I was doing someone's regular nails. I am just going to apply it so that it doesn't cause the nail to shrink in size. Applying too much acrylic causes the press-on nail itself to shrink in size, and we don't want that to happen. So if you are using acrylic, whether it's on someone's natural nails or on press-on nails, you always want to tilt the nails downward so that gravity can help pull the acrylic down so that it is easier to apply it. You just push it into place. Once I finished adding the acrylic, I did go back with my drill and buff those babies out and file them. And now before I add a top coat of gel polish, I'm going to add my designs that I'm doing with gel polish. I did do the V line around them. I thought I was recording it, but I wasn't. So once I finished doing my designs, I am now adding a top coat of clear gel polish just to seal those designs in. So this is the final product. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye.